What is going on, guys? It is Wednesday, which means it is Dollar Domino Day. We're getting on a schedule. Basically, every Wednesday, we're going to release a new Dollar Domino episode. And we've been talking about it in the live chats and whatnot about the Dollar Domino. I know a lot of people are really interested in it. A lot of people are really excited about it to see where it goes. And Pam and I are as well. It's going really well so far. It's really going to be amazing how this pans out, starting with $1. So that being said, guys, one of our Dollar Domino items from last Dollar Domino episode has sold, and I will put that item on the screen right here. And as you guys can see, it is the printer ink that sold. It sold for $20, and I think it was just $20 even, actually. You guys can see it anyway on the screen. And then plus the shipping on top of that. So now I'm going to head over to the whiteboard and break all this down for you to see our progress on this Dollar Domino experiment. And here we go. By the way, guys, unfortunately, Pam is not going to be in this video today. I'm so sorry. I know a lot of you love to see her. I wish she was in this video too. But I'm not sure, while I was filming just a minute ago, you might have heard her coughing in the background. She's really sick, guys. She's really not feeling too good. And she cannot talk very well. She sounds like a man. So, anyway, guys, she won't be in this video, unfortunately. But keep her in your thoughts, and hopefully she gets better soon. Alright guys, so now we're over here at the board of profits where I'm going to break all of this down for you guys to show you our progress. This is where it really gets cool, guys. You can see how it's really starting to add up and make some momentum. So anyway guys, let's get right into it. So, the printer ink sold for a price of $20 even, plus we got $4.39 for shipping, which gives us a total of $24.39 shipped. All right, guys, so let's start breaking this down. So we got $24.39 down here. To cost of goods, which was $1, obviously. That brings us down to $23.39. Sorry guys for my handwriting. I know it's terrible. I'm trying to make it legible. And then guys, as you know, the eBay fees are 20%. Are 10% of the sale price, which comes out to $2, because $20 was the sale price, so $2 is 10%, obviously. I know this is simple math, but I want to reiterate it so you guys completely see how this is broken down. So that comes to $21.39. I'll write eBay here so we know that this is eBay fees. Next, guys, I know it's really frustrating, but there was a final value fee on this charged shipping, which came out to be 47 cents. After the final value fee on shipping, we've got $20.92. Then we have the PayPal fee, which is, as everyone knows, 3% plus 30 cents per sale. So that came out to be $1.02, which brings us to $19.90. And then guys, this is where it's kind of cool. We charged $4.39 to ship this item. However, it only cost us $2.96 to ship it. So we made a little extra couple dollars, give or take, on shipping. So now guys, we have calculated all of our fees and shipping costs for this item. And we're left down here with our net profit for this one item, which is $16.94. So pretty amazing, guys. So just off of one item that we bought in the second round of our Dollar Domino series brought us $16.94 net profit. So this week's total of the Dollar Domino, like I just said, is $16.94. But let's not forget that we are adding up our net profits over time in this whole process. So that includes last week's totals as well, which was about $8. Let's call this $17 because it's only 6 cents short. So let's just call it 17 for the sake of this. So that leaves us with a net profit, guys, of $25 in this whole process. So you guys can see how at first it started very slow here at $8. In only the second round of doing this, we're already up to $25. We will be taking this $25 and going back out and sourcing with it and completely reinvesting it back into the business. And we will try to build it even more, guys. The cool thing about this Dollar Domino series is for next week's video, I don't even know what the topic is going to be about. It might be that we sell another item that we listed last week. It might be that we sold an item that we are buying with this $25 this week. It might be about both of those things. To be honest, I'm not really sure. That's what's cool about this series, guys, and that I'm really digging is that it's completely unpredictable and it's completely out of our control other than, you know, sourcing the items that are profitable and listing them. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this series. From the feedback that we've gotten on our channel from our subscribers, you guys seem to be really digging this and really enjoying this kind of content. And we really appreciate that. We love that a lot. We want to keep it coming. We want to keep this thing rolling. This video didn't have a whole lot of content other than showing our numbers, but that's kind of the name of the game, guys. If you're reselling as a business, whether it be full-time or part-time, you know, it's a big numbers game. It's a great business to be in, and this sort of thing is kind of cool, and it hopefully shows people that, you know, they don't have to have a lot to start selling on eBay. You know, you can just start with some items in your home that you find that you don't need anymore, and that can get you started on building up your eBay business if you don't have a lot of capital to work with. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated, and to subscribe, because, you know, if you enjoy this content in this series, you don't want to miss any of the new ones that come out every Wednesday. Or if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. Just keep checking back. But anyway, guys, I hope you have a great night, and thank you so much for watching. See ya.